Hi, boys and girls. I'm here to go over this week's computer class assignment. You will find it at the very top of your Google Classroom stream. The title of it is Week 6 Typing Time, and it says in-class assignment. That just means that you're going to be completing it when you see me, whether you see me inside of your classroom or you see me during a live Google Meet. You're going to be completing this assignment with me during our scheduled class time. So when you see week 6 typing time, it's a project. You're going to click it and open it. When you open it, you may notice that there are no directions. There's just an attached file with your name on it above your blue turn in button. So to get to this week's project, you're going to click the file that's above your blue turn in button. Mine is here because I'm in the teacher view. You will see yours over here above your blue turn in button, and it'll say your name. The file will begin with your name, and then it'll say typing time. You're going to click and you're going to open it. And the great thing about this assignment is that it gives you a whole video of directions on how to complete it. After watching this video, you're going to go through all of the activities and stop when you finish the activity on slide 10. So here is some information on how you complete this assignment.
I'm going to show you different tools that you have on your slide and how you can work through your typing work for today. So at the beginning of every day, you'll see a large keyboard like this that shows you the keys that you need. On every slide, you'll also see a sound circle like this. To play your sound, you'll need to click on the circle. And then this pop-up will show up and you can click the play button to hear. Today we are in homeroom. So you can always listen to the directions if you're not sure. So I can see all the keys that I'll be using, the letters, where I'll find them on my keyboard, the shift key to make capitals. You'll hear about that when you listen to the directions. And then the delete key, which is like an eraser. So now I'm ready to start typing my letters. And when you're ready to do that, you'll click down to your next slide. And you'll see that your job is always to match the yellow rows. I also see that there's 2 sounds on this slide. When you're ready to type, you can click 2 times fast, 1, 2, and you'll see this flashing line. That means that the box is ready for you to start typing. So I can start typing my lowercase a. Oops, if you ever type the wrong letter, you can hit that delete key or backspace key on your computer, and it works just like an eraser. I'm going to click 2 times fast again, 1, 2, and I'm ready to start typing my capital A. And then I'll click 2 times fast one more time and try my very best to mix up my letters, capital and lowercase, just like it shows me in the yellow box. If you type more than it shows in the yellow box, that's okay. The important thing is that you're practicing typing your uppercase and lowercase letters in these pink boxes. After you practice what's on this slide, you'll click to the next slide that you see and keep on practicing your letters. The last slide for the day is always putting together all of the letters that you have learned for the day. Happy typing!
Okay, so that is how you complete this assignment. This week, you will be working up to slide 10. When slide 10 is finished, you will then return to the Google Classroom assignment and click that blue turn in button. You may have noticed a new skill, and a new skill is making capital letters. When we meet together this week, we're going to practice typing capital letters. You make a capital letter by clicking one of your shift keys. If you look down to your keyboard, you notice you'll have 2 shift keys on each side of your computer. You use your pinky fingers to hit the shift key. So how it works is you're going to hold the shift key down with your one hand, depending on the side of the keyboard that the letter is on. You're going to hold down your shift key with your pinky and then type whatever letter you want capitalized. And then you let go of the shift key when you no longer want a capital letter. So if you want to type your first name with a capital letter, you're going to hold down shift just for that one letter and type the rest of your name normally. Again, to make a capital letter, you're going to hold down the shift button. And while you're holding down that shift button, you then click the letter that you want capitalized one time. We will talk more about this when I see you this week. Again, you're working up to slide 10 of this typing time project and then returning to Google Classroom and hitting that blue submit button. I look forward to seeing you all this week, and happy typing.